Hi there, today we're exploring the MOGUOBIN Velvet Bar Stool, a stylish and durable seating option for any space. These backless bar stools feature a 9.5 solid steel frame that supports up to 330 pounds without warping. The premium velvet upholstery, combined with high-density sponge, offers a comfortable, soft seat that maintains its shape over time. Each stool stands 18.1 inches high and comes in a set of 5, perfect for kitchens, salons, or dining areas. The stools are stackable, saving space and keeping your area neat and organized when not in use. Assembly is simple and quick. Just attach the seat and frame with screws, then add the foot pads. With their elegant, minimalist design, these stools add a trendy touch to any counter or vanity area. Thank you for watching. And if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.